show you today how to make eggplant and pork Asian style. This is a weeknight dinner that I'm making. I just got back from the gym and I had some of my things already cut up and I'm just going to whip it together. So stay tuned. First, I'm going to cook my brown rice in the microwave, 5 minutes on high, and then another 30 minutes at 50 or 60% power. So while I'm cooking that, I'm going to make my sauce that I'll put in towards the end. It consists of soy sauce, fish sauce, a little bit of honey, and some lime juice. I'll put the proportions listed. Once the eggplant is in the skillet, it will take approximately 20 minutes. When you check it in 5 minutes, it might seem like it's not doing anything, but there's a lot of water in the eggplant and it starts to break down, and then it will be delicious. You'll see the transition. After about 5 minutes, I turn the skillet down to medium. And then in the last 5 minutes, I'll put in the garlic, the sauce, and the cilantro. Give it a stir and cover for another 5 minutes, and then we're finished. So while I'm making dinner, I'm also going to scoop some into a container so I can take it for my lunch tomorrow to work. This saves me time and I'm all ready to go. Lots of flavor from the fish sauce. Everything comes through the garlic. The cilantro is amazing. Thanks so much for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time on Subi's Kitchen.